It's often claimed that eating breakfast boosts your metabolism. However, let's look at the real science behind this. Now, you have to also understand that most people that do skip breakfast actually have very bad eating habits to start off with. So if we look at a study here, and I won't bore you to death with all the details, they wanted to investigate the overall 24-hour energy expenditure, glucose, protein, and fat oxidation. Essentially what these mean is that overall energy expenditure is how many calories being burned in a whole day, which is obviously very important for fat loss, whereas oxidation basically means fat burning. Now, what they found is this. They found no significant difference in 24-hour energy expenditure, aka how many calories being burned, the keyword is right there. No effect on a thermic effect of food at all, which is the calories being burned digesting the food, and no significant effect at all, again, on protein, fat, and carbohydrate oxidation. However, here's the thing. What they found is that in a breakfast skipping condition, energy expenditure and carbohydrate oxidation was a lot lower, which links me to this next point. The fat oxidation was a lot higher in the morning, but a lot lower in the evening in a breakfast skipping condition, which kind of links back to when people say intermittent fasting is this magic approach, man, because you burn more fat when you're not eating, which in some cases that's true because your body might rely more on fat, especially if you're not eating the carbohydrates in the morning, right? So keep that in mind as well. Now, one thing we have to consider with this study is that they also found glucose control to be a lot higher and spike in the breakfast eating condition, right? Or should I say non-breakfast eating condition. Now, a lot of people be quite skeptical about skipping breakfast and their glucose or causing diabetes. However, we need to consider that these people were probably habitual breakfast eaters, right? So your body has to adapt to circadian rhythms, etc, etc. Also, one thing I have to mention, how many times have I said that, is that the sample size, and it was on males, was pretty small, but personally I don't really see how it's going to change from male to female, as you know, energy in versus energy out, right? It's quite simple like that. But anyway, those are probably the two biggest limitations. Very small sample size in there. But here's the pinnacle and the final line. Let's draw the line in the sand. It's not really when you eat per se, it's basically how much you eat, right? If you eat in the calorie surplus, you're gonna gain weight, no matter if you eat 1 or 2 meals a day. If you eat, let's say, 5 meals a day and you eat in a deficit, you're still gonna burn fat, and there's no magic effect of this, unfortunately. Otherwise, you know, it's easy to get shredded. Well, it's not that easy, but you get what I'm trying to say, man. So anyway, that's the end of the video. It's not how much you eat. No, it is how much you eat. It's not when you eat, man. So that's that. Stay positive. Leave a comment. Let me know if you thought that you needed to eat breakfast to speed up your metabolism or some shit like that. And one thing I should probably know is that you might want to eat breakfast if your main aim is optimal muscle gain. But that's another video. Let me know if you want to see that. Okay, let's try that again as my comment cat out. Stay positive, stay smiling, let's get it, and I'll see you in the next one.